Caitlin said it a few minutes ago that the bucks, multiple bucks, might stop with Menendez, Senator Menendez of New Jersey. What do you think of that case? Here's the headline from Politico. Menendez was a, quote, bribed man. That's how the prosecutor put it in the closing arguments, trying to tie together over 2 months of testimony and evidence of alleged bribery. This has been, a salacious case. Caitlin went through some of the details a few minutes ago. But what about Menendez? Is this an open and shut case for you or no?
I think the Senator Menendez's lawyers are grasping at straws here in their closing arguments, trying to frame essentially his wife, saying she's the one that would receive the bribes, such as the Mercedes-Benz and the gold and hundreds of thousands of dollars. The problem they have here is that one of the 3 business persons who were involved, who were charged, pled guilty and testified against Senator Menendez. And I think that's pretty compelling testimony. And so there are a lot of unexplained, I think, gifts that were received by him.
All kinds of things. But is that the smoking? So is that testimony? They say, the defense, oh, we don't really have a smoking gun here. Is it for you? That testimony was enough, you think?
I think it's compelling when you add to that testimony the fact that hundreds of thousands of dollars and gold were found in his home. He did, in fact, receive, or his wife received, a Mercedes-Benz from which he likely benefited. Those are not typical behaviors for a member of Congress or a sitting senator. And so the question begs, why would he have received or accepted those kinds of gifts while at the same time engaging in conversations and conduct that benefited those businessmen?
Not typical, even in New Jersey? No, I'm kidding. Michelle, thank you very much. Thanks for coming on today. We appreciate it. Now, we're going to switch. Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.